Where'd Kay go? Kay! Oh, I'm Kay. I'm gay. Where's I'm gay?
Sir, can I take a picture with you?
Sure. Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. I was like, that should be the only really reliable one here. It's the Honda. Someone was struggling to start. We got a Ducati here, BMW, K on his MV, KTM RC8, an R6, and then a CBR 600. And the Ape. So we got a nice little setup today. Set up a car, or bikes. Nice little setup, lineup, not setup, lineup of bikes. What happened?
It's just like that, it's not turning on.
Oh yeah, it's dead battery. You can hear it.
Yeah.
Oh, roll it down. It's downhill right here. Watch out. You might be able to jump it right here. What?
Top started. You go first gear, you go to like at least 5-10 miles per hour, you just dump the clutch and then it goes.
Yeah, you just drop it. I don't know, can you even bump start Ducatis?
I was literally just asking.
I know you can't do apes. They go into theft mode.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, they have a safety mode where you can't bump start them.
Alright, let's go. Hold on. Well, there's the answer. You can just start the side.
Yeah?
Now you know second gear. Here, next one.
Nice! Okay, well, what's up, guys? It's Stickers. Back with another video. Are we recording? Yes. Alright, we're good. And we are off to another toy drive right now. There is a good group of us. Like I was saying earlier, we got quite a few today. But let's see how it goes. I'm probably going to stay up front with Kay since I don't trust many of these people. Actually, no, that's a lie. I know one of them. The RC8 guy, he's a good rider. He was on his Gixxer in our last video when Kay went to go try out the new V4. I don't want to go too crazy because as you guys can see down here, for some reason my traction control and my traction control and wheelie control are not working right now. For some reason they are disabled. So I didn't want to go into that turn too quickly with no traction control on. But as you guys can see, we got a cop ahead now. Always the 5-0 killing the fun. Oh, and it's a female cop. As long as I'm not out on the back, we're good. Okay, don't even have a plate. You criminal. I still got them all. Nobody's left behind. Luckily, we definitely dipped on them when we hit that freeway. Okay, said high speed pool. Let's go. But right now we are about a block away, maybe 2 blocks away. Turn left and then we turn left again on LaSalle. Luckily, we know this area pretty well because it is by my the alma mater, they call it. Damn, this light is forever. Oh, it's tight. Oh, okay. I barely fit my finger in my mask. So that's why Kay holds on to the clutch. He has a hydraulic clutch on the MV. Makes it easy. Hey, right here. Look at all these slow cars.
Don't leave me, ain't you?
Oh, honest, I can't see them. You gotta be all level. Oh, that's cool looking. What else we got? What'd you hit when you hit the freeway? Because you were mobbing. I was like, oh, he's going. Oh, he's really going.
Yeah, it was 197.
Woo!
Yeah, it didn't hit the 200 though. So that's why I was like, I think the AFR is all messed up because, you know, technically.
Oh yeah, it's running lean. Yeah, no, yeah, you don't have enough fuel.
Yeah. So.
I was like, you're mobbing.
The rest hit 200, but that's way less aerodynamic than this.
Yeah. So it should. Looks like a good turnout so far. I don't know. Yeah. Big cam. It's on the 85 because you can smell it, so it's. On a tire too. It might just be cans and E. Nowadays, you never know. That's the problem. This thing, I would think it should be fast. Where the hood exits, so that means it's turbo. Let's see. How big is the turbo? Oh, it's a small little turbo. So it ain't too crazy. We got a McLaren with a car seat. That's the way to do it. McLaren with the car seat. That's lit. What's that? I don't know what that is. Oh, 720? Yeah, I think that's 720. Big old G-Wagon, Hondas, some Beamers. Don't look like there's much else. C6 over there. Honda with its hood pop. Definitely not going that far. What else is there? Oh, second 720. New Year's Eve party package available. Oh, that sounds fun. This has the aftermarket exhaust, which is dope. Where'd Kay go? Kay! Oh, I'm Kay. I'm gay. Where's I'm gay? Oh, there's I'm gay. The food smelled bomb when we pulled up. Might have to get me a second dinner. The Honda Mustang. See, you just don't know now with these fucking Mustangs. This might be his first mod. He bought a carbon hood and some bead locks, and that's all that's done to it. With all you know. Carbon trunk. It's not bad. Might be whippled. It's definitely not turboed. You would hear the spooling. It says, what's happening? You made the mob all the way from LA?
I rode down in the R8 with him.
Oh, okay, but you still came all the way from LA.
Yeah.
I was like, if you rode down here, you're crazy, but that's not as bad if you...
We were going to, but...
Ride?
It's like split the whole way. We just mobbed the R8. Yeah.
There was a lot of traffic, too, on the 5s. And the cops were... And the cops were ridiculous. There were so many cops today. I don't know why. We ran into so many. So, like, literally, we were stuck going, like, 75 because there was a cop just cruising with us the whole way.
Are you going to pull up or not?
I was debating. But he texted me about it yesterday. He was like, pull up at 1. I'm like, but don't start till 3. You're right, pull up at 2. Okay, I'll be there at 2.
Me and a couple of my buddies pulled up the other day. We rode all the way from LA down to Joe's to get some ice cream.
I used to pull. That's right here. Joe's is right here around the corner. Yeah, we used to go there all the time, but that lot is so small, and now they hop on your ass when you park across the street. We used to go ride there and go with cars all the time, but nah, they be getting on people's heads now. But alrighty, I'll be back. Hazen, I'm gonna keep filming this, and then I'll come back and talk once I take off the helmet.
We're just starting. We're about to get our food, and then we'll come in.
Alright, for sure. We got the black R8, the McLaren, a BMW. Where'd K go? Where you at? Is he back there? I don't even know where K went. Bar's just crazy color. 720. Cool.
Sir, can I take a picture with you?
Sure.
Thank you, bro.
Yep. My bad, I didn't see it. Since you're here so much, just buy another car and leave it here somewhere.
I'm in my AMG rebuild, so leave it here.
Oh, you are? Oh, okay. I thought you were giving nothing away.
So I was, and then some BS happened.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I gotta get the engine rebuilt. It's either I get the engine rebuilt or get a new engine, but I keep asking, people keep saying they're gonna do it, and then nobody responds to me.
Fair enough.
Like I'm trying to find someone who can do it.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
There is a Mercedes mechanic that rebuilt my mom's CLS. And he used to work for Mercedes there in like Long Beach area. That he works on everything. He's like a certified Mercedes tech. I don't know if he'll go that deep into doing a full rebuild, but like I said, at least he's rebuilt some stuff.
Yeah, right, exactly.
But I don't know. But maybe, like I said, I'll shoot you. I think I still got your number. I'll text you his shop name.
Okay.
And he might be down, like I said.
But yeah, text me a shop.
Is it completely done the motor, like rebuild, or do you like?
No, I just need like the engine seized because it had no oil, so I just need it fixed. So.
Well, if it had no oil, you might need to re-sleeve it. It's more than just a quick bolt together. But yeah, I'll let you know about it. Hopefully he will, and then I'll see that around, and you can come out more.
Yeah, fast.
But all right, for sure. Yeah. And that was a baby rev. Huh? That was a baby rev, so just wait. Thought I saw UR, so I think this is an underground racing twin turbo Lambo, so this thing's probably quick. On the R888. This is dope too. Got a little curb ski on a Beamer. This yours? No. It's not a massive turbo, so it probably spools quick. So it's probably really quick, not super fast, top speed, but it's probably quick. This Z06 sounds crazy with a big old cam. It is chopping. Sounds good though. You can smell the E85. Alright, let's go. Kay already took off, so we gotta catch up. This is a wrap to this video. Thank you guys for watching. It was a cool little meet. We're mobbing out with the Z06 and a few other cars, but on our way to a different meet. So I'll catch you guys in next week's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.